Now students, we will discuss about components of Windows, features of Windows and advantages and disadvantages of Windows operating system. First we will discuss about main components of Windows operating system. The main components of Windows operating system are divided into different categories. Today we will discuss some of them. First component is configuration and maintenance. This include different services that allow user to view and change basic system settings and controls. For example, we can change desktop background or we can change volume settings. This feature also allows you to install or uninstall or upgrade any particular software. Even hardware settings can also be managed. Next we will discuss about user interface. User interface provides a medium to access file systems, launching or running different applications and performing many common tasks. For example, Start button is present in Windows operating system that help you to start any application. For another example, we can take Task Manager that contains currently running applications, and from here you can manage these applications. Next we will discuss about application and utilities. In this, Windows operating system provide different applications like calendar, calculator, disk cleanup, camera, notepad for typing purpose. Further, Windows operating system support a variety of file systems that allows you to manage how and where data is to be stored, accessed or managed. Windows support FAT16, FAT32, NTFS kind of file systems. FAT stands for File Allocation Tables. So these were the components of the Windows operating system. There are some other components also, for example, networking, security, API, etc. You can refer different books to read about these components. Now let us view some features of Windows operating system. Windows search option allows you to search the entire computer. Imagine if you have to search for a file on your computer and your computer contains a large number of data, means tons of data is loaded in different volumes of your computer, and if you start searching manually you might come up with a mess, means it will take a lot of time to search the entire computer for your file. But if you use Windows search feature, this will help you to search the entire computer within no time, means it will take a very little time to search for your file. Let us suppose one more scenario in which we want to take backup of our data on external hard disk or some other device, means कि हम कोई अपना डेटा पड़ा हुआ है हमारे कंप्यूटर के ऊपर और हम उस डेटा का एक बैकअप क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं किसी और डिवाइस के ऊपर, चाहे वो हार्ड डिस्क हो सकती है, कोई पेन ड्राइव हो सकती है, किसी भी स्टोरेज डिवाइस के ऊपर हम अपना बैकअप क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं. नाउ विंडो अलाउज यू टू डू सो थ्रू इट्स फाइल ट्रांसफ़र फीचर, मीन्स यू कैन लोड योर फाइल फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज डिवाइस to your computer, or you can transfer files from your computer to another storage devices. like pen drives, external hard disk, CD, DVD, etc. Next feature of Windows Update help your operating system to be up to date. This will enhance the security of your computer as the latest security features will be upgraded automatically to your machine. It will be more safer as compared to previous version. Another feature provided by Windows operating system is taskbar. It contains basically all currently running applications. What it means is all those applications that you are using currently will be pinned down to the taskbar. This is the basically main navigational tool of Windows operating system. Taskbar is present at the bottommost part of the Windows. As you can see over here, this is the taskbar of my desktop. Here I am using VLC media player, then I am using MS Word, I am using PowerPoint, and I am using Open Broadcast software for recording. All these are pinned down to this taskbar. Another feature of remote desktop connection allows you to connect to another computer system and work remotely on another system. Here you have to watch that both PC should be connected over the same network. For this, just type remote desktop connection in your search field. You will find remote desktop connection app. After double clicking it, you will get this dialog box. In this, what you have to do is you have to type the name of the PC to whom you want to connect remotely. For this, you need to know the name of the other machine to which you want to connect. Okay. Now let us see some advantages and disadvantages of Windows operating system. Advantages includes it is desktop as well as tablet friendly operating system, means it can be used on a desktop machine or it can be used on tablets. Next, switching between application is very easy in this operating system. This operating system can be operated by any person who does not bear much technical knowledge. Next is Windows operating system is a dominant operating system. What it means, it has basically more than 90% share of the market, means it is the popular operating system among all. Then Microsoft also provide great support for this operating system, means there are many different applications available for this operating system. Disadvantages include there are some privacy and security concerns, means as compared to another operating system this is less secure. Next is it is costly operating system. If we compare it with Linux, it is an open source, means Linux basically comes in no cost. Next is Windows operating system is virus prone operating system, means it can attract different virus programs. And last one is it is not touch friendly, means the desktops or machines that are using touch screen, it is not very much friendly over those machines.